What's going on, guys? Today I wanted to discuss why I love using the Griots Boss system, or best of show system, when I'm restoring paint. So from its versatility to the way it smells, this stuff is amazing. When I'm working on single stage paint to heavily swirled vehicles, the Boss system is one of the go-to system for restoring any vehicle as a professional. So the bottles that I have here, they're destroyed. They're beat up a little bit. That's because we put them to work and they've been refilled over and over. And this stuff, I mean, anytime I have a challenging vehicle, I know that I can pair the fast correcting cream with the knitted wool pad, for example, or put it on a rotary, and I can get the desired result that I'm going after. And if I'm doing one-step work, I can use the correcting cream. I love using the two-step system for the most part, and I will typically use fast correcting cream on a knitted wool pad by Griots Garage, followed by the perfecting cream with their yellow perfecting pad. The whole system is set up to be used one after the other, and you can use it as a three-step system, but I just love using that heavy compound followed by the final polish. This stuff has the ability to restore single stage paint better than any other product that I've come across. The genetic makeup of this stuff is just pure magic when it comes to restoring single stage paint. It adds the vibrant color back to the vehicle that many of my other favorite polishes and compounds can't do. If I'm compounding a single stage paint, the fast correcting cream won't dry up or haze up that paint. It will go on easily and it'll wipe off easily, which is the challenge for a lot of other products that I use when compounding single stage paint. And if I just need to do some simple swirl removal or oxidation removal using the correcting cream, and most recently I found out the perfecting cream on the orange correcting pad does the job flawlessly. And I mean, the perfecting cream almost works better than the correcting cream on single stage paint. It leaves just a little less haze, but gives the same amount of cut. So I've been using this system for years now, comparing it to others, and a lot of people thought that Griots was just an enthusiast brand, but when they put the Boss system out years ago, it changed the game, but not a lot of people know about it as they should to this day. So hopefully this video will help enlighten you guys and let you know that, hey, this is a company that is really doing their thing. All of their products are made in-house, nothing is outsourced, so they have their own chemists. I've met the chemists before, super cool, and they are actually testing the products that they make before they put them out on the shelf for you. So this is not some, slap a label on it and just push it out so we can make money type of company. They really put thought into the products that they use, and I have the proof. You can go through my entire portfolio and see that I use fast correcting cream on almost every vehicle. So this is the stuff that you want to use when you're doing your restoration work. And by the way, like I said, red paint, nothing else works better on red paint. I can do a one-step with correcting cream on a knitted wool pad or a microfiber pad, depending on how hard or soft that paint is. The knitted wool, I can use it with the correcting cream and get a flawless result and not have to do a second step. So this stuff is very universal, very versatile, and like I said, the smell of it. If you're going to be working in a shop all day smelling chemicals, you can wear a mask, yes, or you can enjoy the sweet smell of the lineup that they offer. The fast correcting cream smells like cherries, the correcting cream smells like oranges, and the perfecting cream haven't really put a specific scent to it, but it doesn't smell harsh. It doesn't affect you like a lot of other products do, and they don't dust. They do not dust at all. If you use it on a wool pad, it's going to create a little bit of dust, but besides that, on foam or microfiber, you don't have to worry about dust all over the place, whether it's getting in your lungs or all over the vehicle, and you have to wash it at the end. So this is why I love using that Griots Garage Boss system. Hopefully you guys will get out there and test it out, and if you have tried it out and it didn't work out like you wanted it to, go back and try it again. Also, don't forget to check out their lineup of tools. The tools are powerful, they do the job, and they are very well thought out. So I love the ergonomics of the tool. Your hands have all kinds of places you can rest them on. And at first I didn't really care for them until I really started to put them to work. I was attached to my old school Boss G21, but the new lineup is even more insane after working it for a while. So they have rotaries, they have mini DAs for your 2-3 inch work. They have the bigger DAs from the 15mm G15 to the 21mm G21. You can't go wrong with any of these products. and their customer service is top notch. That's another reason we like to use the brand, because they'll get back to you just like that. So no, these guys, as a disclaimer, have not paid me to do this, because I simply just go off of what works, and people need to know what works. So this is one of my favorite lineups to use. Get out there, try yours out today. We'll holler at you guys later. The paint is waiting on you. Hey, if you enjoyed that content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button for all the Pro Polisher Academy videos when they pop up. And we've created a merch line for you guys, the Modern Pro & Co lineup, and today I'm wearing the Breeders of Ingenuity shirt. And necessity breeds ingenuity. And in this industry, I've had to come up with a lot of my own inventions just to get to where I'm at today. So we also spell ingenuity with an E as opposed to an I, just as an ode to the automotive industry and the love of motors, engines, etc. So go check out the merch line, links in the description. We'll see you guys later. Peace.